Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Toontrack EZdrummer 3. The first thing, I got my downloads from pluginforest.com. They offer instant download, lifetime activation and future free updates. They also offer 24/7 live chat support. If you have any issue, you can contact with them and they're gonna help you instantly. So once you buy from pluginforest.com, you will get this folder. Go to the folder, go to the setup folder, install setup, hit next. Make sure you have select all of this one. Hit next. Once installation is done, go to the core library 2 folder, install library. Now install the updates one by one. Now go to the core library 3 folder. Here you will see the option where you have to place the library, but it's better if you select default location. Once it's done, close everything, open your drive. Boom, there you go. Here you will see everything. Enjoy your plugin. I'm gonna catch you on my next video. Peace.